Good morning, everyone. So today I'm going to work on this Crafter's Companion Decorative Duo Dies craft kit. This I got through the auto ship with HSN. This is number 33. Again, different companies are carrying this. I understand from you guys Paper Wishes. I know scrapbook.com has them. Obviously, Crafter's Companion carries them. They sell out. So it just depends. With HSN, the sign up is closed, so it's not something you can pick up. They do bring some boxes back there too, though, every once in a while. So for now, if I have any links, I don't know if I'll have them for this particular thing. They are affiliate links, which means I'll make a small commission if you purchase items through those links. So, you know, I've just been sitting on the couch for the past, 2.5 or so hours. You know, with the time change, I kept telling you guys, I keep waking up at 4. I keep waking up at 4. I guess I'm just getting ready for the time change. Well, guess what? I woke up even earlier than that now. The time change is not helping. It feels like you think, I usually wake up at 4, so now it's 5 o'clock. That's a decent hour. No, I still woke up like at 3 something. It's been a mess. So I just been sitting on the couch. And so now I'm like, well, you know what? This will be a good one to use because everything's here. I don't have to go picking stuff out other than putting my brain power to what's in here. So let's open it up. I think I already did an unboxing of this. I know tomorrow's... Oh, no, I didn't do it because it's so cute that they're in the packages. Yay! Okay, so let's do this. All right, this is number 33. And then when I had mentioned this, I thought, that's really cute, maybe for the new year. But somebody had mentioned that Sarah said that they would be doing the packaging like this, which I appreciate because it's paper, you know, better than having all the little plastic. And it looks really cute and fun, you know, so it's more of a like, wow, you know, when you open it up, a little surprise, I suppose. So we have dewdrops, and I guess I could just cut these. I'm just going to tear them open, but... Oh, I love these. I do like these things because, again, if you want to, you can color them. But just wherever you pop them, it just, that little color that's underneath pops up a little bit. So we have some of those. I think for you guys, to make this easier, I'm going to cut these as we go along. Actually, I'll slice them here. Assorted gems. And you know what? It smells really papery. I like it. Oh, these are bright colors. So cute. Okay, so you know what? So the point of this one, I didn't really look at just decorative duo dies. We'll see. I think they just like the kind you can layer up, hopefully. You know, I'm not going to put these back in here. It's going to take forever. Assorted ribbon. Aw. So again, I like this kind of ribbon. I like when they put the little organza ribbon because it's really easy to make bows with this stuff and just more delicate and it feels nicer on a card, I think, than like the grosgrain type ribbon. Satin ribbon's pretty nice too, though. Okay, so these are, again, really pretty shades here. This came in a little while back too, so I'm kind of behind on this. Clear stamps. This is really cute, you guys. I like the packaging. I like this. Is fun. Sending lots of love. We have little owls and congratulations. You warm my heart. Obviously, lots of sentiments. This calls for and then party. Thank you, friend. Celebration. Birthday. Let's root for each other and watch each other grow. That's really sweet. Grow through what you go through. That's really cute. Kind of a mouthful. I would say mouthful. I don't know if that's... Anyway. Envelopes. I don't know if I need to open this, but... Yep, and here are envelopes. Again, they've been doing 4x6s, square card, and 5x7 cards, and it looks like that's what they're sticking to. Yeah, well, yeah, because these cards are just over 4 inches by like 6. So that's really snug. Let me see about that. Where are the cards? Here they are. Let's look at the cards. Oh, and then dies are at the bottom too. Interesting. Okay. Card blanks, and I'll give them a quick measure because I'm pretty sure that's what they've been doing. This is one I feel like is a 4x6, and it is. It's 4 by exactly 6, and then 5x7. Hopefully you can kind of see the difference there. And then a 6-inch square. It looks like. Yep. Card blanks, and let me open up these dies here. Yeah, so we have the birthday like balloon says birthday wishes. Something you thought, I don't know what that says. Thinking of you. then we have the heart. This is really cute. It's like a heart, but it has like a little tree. It's kind of interesting. Family, and then love. Just a couple little dies there. I know the unboxing I did for the new, for the first auto ship of the Year of Craft was, I was really happy with it. It's really amazing. I like that kit. Sometimes these guys are hit and miss like that. The dies, we'll see. They seem a little bit small, but hopefully they'll be good. Obviously they're going to cut well. We'll just see what happens. Colored card. I love this. And this is really nice thick card. I thought there was like a chipboard piece holding it here because it felt so thick, but no, it's just the card itself. Interesting. That's nice because I know a lot of you guys, the feedback is that the papers are too thin. These are thick cardstocks. So this is the colorway. Now there are less colors, which is interesting. Usually they give you 2 of each and there's like a ton of them. This is less papers, I think, and less color, but very thick. So there's that. And printed papers. Let's check these guys out. These guys have the same feel of the paper. Oh, I love this one. The feel is, again, like a layering weight paper, you know. A little heavier than like, I would say typing paper, printer paper, I guess is what they call it nowadays. I love the balloons. The stripe is so cute. And then again, it has kind of like a woodland feel with that tree. So there's that for that, I suppose. Purple, oh, I was gonna say purple dots, but it's like a wavy pattern. That's really cute. It's like 3 sheets of each, and then this kind of geometric pattern, and this little pattern here. All right, so basically I think all we're gonna do is play with, what I do wanna make mention though is I love that this does not have that sticky stuff because it would stick to my papers, it would stick to other stuff, you know, because of the way, obviously it's plastic and all of that. What I'm gonna do is not put this stuff away. I'm gonna look through this and think about what it is that I wanna make and pull out some papers and we'll get started. Okay, so I'm not gonna play with dies yet. I'm gonna do some matting and layering. I'm gonna use the 4x6 card since people like that. If you want this to be more like a mini slim line, instead of just a A4 card, because that's basically the size of this, kind of, right? We've discussed that before. You can just cut a 1/2 inch off, you know, and make it a 3.5x6. That's an idea. I'm gonna leave it at the 4x6 though. And I do want to use this, and I do want to orient it this way, I think. So I'm gonna use this guy. I don't normally do a lot of matte and layering. A lot of the examples on the box are matte and layered, so I'm like, well, let's do that. Oh, the pink, the pink, the pink. It's gonna be the pink. Okay, so if this is 4x6, let's make this one. Let me get this thing. Hopefully I don't drop a bunch of stuff. 4x6. I like to keep my mats really kind of thin. So 3 3/8. Sorry, 3 7/8. So I'm kind of lining up with that 7/8 mark, kind of. By 5 7/8. Let's see how we did on that one. Yep. Just inside. I mean, it's a very, very minimal amount. And then I'm going to take this balloon one, and since I'm orienting it like a landscape, I got to remember that, especially for the balloons, because they are going up and down or however. So what do we say? 3 3/8. I mean, 3 7/8. Why do I keep saying it? So let's make this one 3 3/4 by 5 3/4. And that'll mat right in there with that little pink edge. Super cute. Now, I know a lot of you guys want to spare sometimes what's going on here. Maybe I'll even cut a balloon out of this pink. This whole center area, if you wanted to cut it out and use it for something else, you definitely can, because it's not going to be visible anyway. Let me clean it up a little bit. I think I'm going to also put a strip of paper right here with the sentiment and all that, so I'll need the paper again, but not quite yet, because I don't really know what I want to do. So let me put this stuff away, and I'll be right back. So we're going to have that. Oh, they also have Thinking of You, which is kind of an odd thing to put in a balloon, but you know what? You don't have to put it in a balloon. Because of the little circles, you know what I'm saying? You can just use the Thinking of You with this frame right here, that middle one. Because Thinking of You, isn't that more like a sympathy type of thing? I don't know. Kind of interesting. Okay, so what I'm going to do is... Yeah, I think that's what that one's for. This one's for that one. So I'm going to use this balloon and then the insert for the sentiment. What's interesting is the sentiments don't really have another one. I was going to, oh my gosh, put like another sentiment on the little strip if I put a strip, but I'm not sure if I have one that makes sense. Because I'm looking at that, it has birthday, girl, boy, celebration. This calls for a maybe celebration. And then with this, yeah, I guess maybe that's the best way to use those two together. So what I'm gonna do is trying to think of how I want to use these guys. On the thing here, they have a couple of balloons. Like, you know, I always like to do basically the rules of three, so like 3 things. Oh, wouldn't that be cute if they had a balloon shape for the heart too? But anyway, I guess you can mix the hearts and balloons. That doesn't hurt anybody. What I'm gonna do is cut out a few of these guys. I think I want, the colors don't really matter, so I'm just gonna go through here. Maybe do an orange one like from the background. I do like the blue colored one. I need something like this maybe. Ooh, these colors are starting to get a little, I'm not sure about that. And then the pink, right? Remember I have pink back here that I can run through and get some from that. I'm trying to think how I want to layer these up though. Purple, pink. Okay, I'm gonna cut out the pink one with the sentiment like this. So I'm just gonna tape that down and run it through. This should go through my marquee because it's only 4 inches wide. And then on these other 3 colors, I'm gonna cut out just the base balloon, okay? And I'll be back. Okay, I have my little balloons here, and I was basically gonna take this one. Ooh. Went through the marquee real nicely. Or whatever die cutting system you have. Oh, I'm waiting for that Sizzix box to come in. Remember I showed you guys that HSN had like a mystery, what do they call it? Surprise box. And it's on its way. I think it should come in the next day or 2. So I'm going to layer those up together. Just glue them like I normally would. Just put some glue around there and maybe tap some glue on the back of my hand to get that finer part on here. And then I was looking at, I mean, that's fine. Let me see. Let me bring this back. So there was our piece that we used that middle section of. It's gonna go there. Let's say we have these little guys. These guys are a little bit boring, but that's okay. So what I'm going to do though is run them through a embossing folder. So I'll grab one from my stash, I don't know what. I think recently we got a ton of embossing folders in another craft kit, didn't we? But of course that's put away. I have all my craft kits, the sub boxes from Craft Companion for the regular sub box upstairs on my, I have a desk up in my master bedroom and it has a hutch, you know, and it's all on top of the hutch. So they're lined up 1 through 12, then 13 through 24, and then the next ones that are coming up. So I think I'm going to start a 4th row very soon if I keep getting them. But, so it's going to be something like this. I'm going to glue that together. I'm going to find, maybe, embossing folder that would look cute. I was gonna say that heart one, but that one's, okay, it doesn't matter. I'll be back in just a second. Okay. I think it might only be the balloons. I don't know. I was gonna put, like I said, a little strip, but again, the sentiments are kind of interesting. This calls for a celebration. It would have to, you know, I don't know. It would be cute too to decorate the balloons, maybe with the little hearts. That would be adorable. Okay, so I do have that little heart strip that I used the other day. I think this came from like a coffee set a long time ago from Diamond Press that I picked up. So I'm just going to run it through like that and just give it some cuteness. And, you know, this is white cork cardstock, so if we really wanted to... by the way, you can use any embossing folder in there if it's not a 3D embossing folder, like a regular kind of embossing folder. Look how cute. I mean, and that just gives it a lot of texture. If you wanted to, you can run over it with a buffing block. I just kind of want to keep it kind of fresh and the way it is, but it would make that pop even a little bit more. So let me run this one through. I'll grab my adhesives and we'll finish. I'm just going to stick these guys down, and I hear people are waking up, so I told you I lagged way too much. I was just sitting there. Ay. Hopefully we'll start getting used to it. Hopefully it's okay for you guys. At least the kids don't actually have to go to school today, so I don't have to like get anyone ready, but they'll be online. All right, so there's that. I'm gonna stick this down, let that. So I was thinking about putting some twine or, you know, baker's twine or something cute on the balloons, but at the same time, I don't know where I would end them. Do you know what I'm saying? Because this is kind of a tight area. So if I had this and this and this, and I tied the balloons together, where would I put the string? Just really short? You know, it's kind of silly. So I don't know. I'd rather just not put them, but it would be very cute if we planned out for that. And something like that. Or I guess they don't all have to be... Yeah, that's fine. I really do like the idea of the string. That's why I'm like, maybe I still will put it. Nah, it's fine. Just a simple card that's cute. How about that? And these two are going to be a little higher up. I didn't think about it. I was just going to put them all together. Like I said, my husband would do. He likes to keep things in threes and lined up. Or just two. Just one and one. You know, this one and this one. Like if we were to put things on the mantle, he's like, we always argue about that. I'm like, now move that one. No, put three. Put, you know, some height and this one lower. And anyway, we like to bicker about little things like that. I'll just put it straight. I'm trying to debate how I want to do that one. Do I have some? Nope, they're stuck. I'll say if I had a little more time, I would have moved them over a little bit. But oh well. They're balloons. They do what they want, right? All right. Oh, and my Craft Stash links are working again. They were, like I said, they were just having some kind of little issues. Birthday wishes. Something about this I'm not digging. That's okay. All right, there's that. And then maybe... very simple. I don't know if I want something more, if this even really makes it something more, just adding rhinestones, you know what I'm saying? I don't know. We'll try it. And that'll be that. Oh, we also have the little clear dots, which are fun. Let's use some big pink one. A big pink guy. And like I said, my new thing is to try to apply them in a funky way. I usually just go 1, 2, 3, right? But now I'm trying to make them look a little more fun, a little more organic. That's so cute. You know what? That's all it is. Just adding these little guys. I know, I think with... I guess I'll do the same colors. Diamond Press, I think their rhinestone kit is still on HSN available. As is the little metallic base... I don't know why they call it basics, but I guess the basics tag set. I'm gonna put this one here. And they're fun because you just grab it and then just throw on whatever is in there. You know, you have plenty of them, so it's fun to just kind of play with those things and add them on. All right, guys, that's it for today. I like the little texture of the balloons, super cute. If I could do it again, if my glue didn't settle so quickly, I might have turned the balloons a little bit more this way just so you can see the little end of it, you know, the little tied off piece because it's cute. But other than that, there it is. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I will see y'all at the next one. Bye now.